nga kutangerera singa utre busuburiro okamena ngabulikiro ninje Mate Ishaq omnyamyatsi ukwawo habwe Kinemba hane Kasese district okwanambye ntuli omwa Kitoro Sero kande omwa Kasese municipality tukarangira abandu babiri asa omwabunje eribya ibakakoma abembebetya abe LC1 okwanambye ntuli omwa Kitoro kandi tuli na Isaya Tembo ono nemuma okuba itsimbire so tukanzirikanako nayo atubwere iyo ebindu akabirangrati kandi obwembembetya bwiwe bukayabya buti kandi tunakyasindekendeke Isayo no nemuma okubembembetya abasingireyo bulere hano omwa Kasese district okuba mbembetya bano abe LC1 weitu Isayo wasinja kutsiberikanyako netu abandu abanakusamalira kwa Kinemba bakanze rimenya na busana nachi uli omali ngatano.
Okay, wasinja kutsibu omwami Isaac tuli live oko Kitoro polling station ngatolo muisa weritangirira abandu busa babiri asane risima ndi basinja kutsibu because etana poira hanu siri waringa on my side. Yeah, nganalangire all my supporters babiri asa and a vibe is high, the morale is high, balirede risuri ya kalulu and they are basing akaloko bakashamba kakabesing ko services esena mabebaha ever since chiro nakomawa up to date. So they know bache sindeke omundu bakaya komanga nende kandi basi bindu byakati yakolanga nibya high because munga nabe strategic enough elangirende tukaenda mo next elections we need to know the community need.
So uro mo office mono for 5 years for the last 5 years tatubera ebikebeke ebya matakoleka hano mu Kitoro
well ebiko kwebyo actually quarters yabya sibungo mwanya omobe wa bibi all along national wide but naberenga sombu mbembeti muna ndebya bindu tukashyaunzaho. So as I speak now Kitoro kutse choli quarters ne mwanya biriwana wabandu bose bakayisheteramu and of course where there is good security a development kaireta two twabirengesha kutsiwe langirende nabireta sha projects ndano ko ground especially supporting education kundi nabilangira Kitoro abya mwanya wasiwe ikabya abayaye bibi ba school dropouts all marriages bindu benen. So munasene project elangindi tuteri supporting abana abali mu school bulekita shalwamu. We want to keep them in schools. So echu tunamukikola and at least every year tukaha scholastic materials at vulnerable homes. And then echende twamabikola bindu benen something like sabi office twabela ingayu inoko ground inamukola inamusavinga abantu 24 hours tunamubasavinga. Then the other thing also twabireta issue yalirenkanye ku bandu especially abamalo lomochiro kutse went is daytime neriba bisuba with means of transport yangabatwala okushya hose.
So mungabyanga kana yako naba umababo kubataka especially the elderly ibo oma planisha obanem erangirinde ukaba otikaya.
Yes, of course banemu aba elderly banu every big days something like Christmas, Easter abandu banu tukabaha what to eat ebyalya because banu babake kulu kutse babasha kulu abali vulnerable abatitokere bane byalya but what I do ngati mbo mu bandu I get well wishers, they support me with food, clothes, shoes, whatever item they give me. Neryo inatokerikolachi eribicha ku bandu abo.
Itunemu nzerera abandu be Kitoro if they add you another term nibyaha ibukechukira.
Well ngasaba abandu be Kitoro tukaya tuketamu embyaka na bilonchinge manifesto mwana launchingayo in 4 positions in 4 zones eshe area no. One of the things that tukaya kola tukaya strengthening as 7 groups sikatungesha training skills echichuma ebi sibitu tunamukola bikindi endembere. Then the other thing tukaya tunga emergency team response. For example tukira ku Lusulu Nyamwamba. So ngabiri organizing a team ya bandu 10 ababiri bya trained rescuing abantu in case bama bamabya stuck omulusi and at least twabitunga some ropes nesha trainings twabitunga through Save the Children. And then the other thing also tukaya let fire extinguisher sikaya bya ku village level kwa hanu because just of recently area malwamu ngakali myomulero. And so mutu achirebe we need to maintain this team ibyoko ground to training how to stop fire omuliro amabenya beriasa nari bakolesha fire extinguishers yesho.
Okay. Yeah. Lastly, omuntu wange naibulya omunyetonge we abakyuka itungiro mu politics kandi oku village level unase haliwe mindset ekabwende aba LC1 bakabye iba kuliro mu myaka 5 nga abazeyi beitu omunyetonge we abakyuka itungira okuma bururubuno.
Okay, there are two reasons esikale kana itungira mu bururubuno. At first, at the beginning ngakasa mu kisanje kyokubanza leadership yabyaho abantu babasayirayo kutsibu obuli mundu kanzere itsimba nyakabya threatened kutsiba musinga. But now munalwayo namantu no, we must change the area. Munabya patriotic langende chipindi cha inga chanze chibyenge ngesinde areas. So those are the reasons eshelekana itsimba kenga namulangende there is other things which are going wrong esikanze correction. So ngasimanya muhanga ndinaberenga sa people trusted me for sure. Abantu mbakambungale mwana but namabile inga things on the ground kandi abantu babiri simiriwuma and that's why babira sene large number elangendeke bakatishanyi koma bakanyisuba yayo.
Then omwirangira yawo ni kinywa cyuka aba youth nabo abangnasi bayitsimbaleka nabo ku level ye LC1.
Yes, wasinja kutsebo. My advice here with aba youth utolere watsuka good journey umenye eyaukalwa. You know the background of your home. Ukulira wood, ukaya high, wamaika high. Those are the steps to consider. Because you need to humble or you bow yourself before God. Because once you go to church, there is a way how it changes your reasoning, your lifestyles. So neriyale kabandu eba kwanza nerisicha na it is key. So nganze risaba youth abali yeyu. Mama muli iyo mu beti wasting time mukali mairunja and sule kolera. I want to advise you in the mulweyu at my age na it is a very big surprise ngana ibula yari how I made it kanena sahan how people have really loved me to say that I go back for the next seat. So I want to appeal to the youth that ebyo sebya mukakola mubilwemu just leave all those things. Mwase yangale because I'm your agement. I can still advise you hear me because I'm your agement so that we start a new journey. Chungani can teach kitu kerukuwa teacher in your lifestyle yao. Now either one time one day now wale what you want to contest. Yeah.
Wasinja kutsibu omsamaliri na honorable